Welcome to the walkthrough of our real estate web application, a dynamic platform designed to connect property sellers and buyers seamlessly. Whether you are looking to list a property, browse available homes, or schedule appointment, buy or sell a property, this platform offers a secure and user-friendly experience for all. Built with modern web technologies and a focus on usability, the system supports role-based access for both buyers and sellers, ensuring that each user interacts with the features relevant to them. In this demo, we will explore the platform step by step, beginning with how a new user can sign up, then walking through the seller journey first, then buyer journey, from login to managing property listing. This is the sign up page of our real estate web application. It designed with a modern UI and smooth user experience in mind. User can register using their social account, Google, Facebook, GitHub, or LinkedIn. So first, we will log in through a seller ID to see what a seller can do with this ID. So let's begin. To register with email, the user need to enter their email password and select their role. So now first we will create a new account. So to create a new account, you have to sign up. So we will click on sign up and then create a new account. First sign up, I have to put a username first. I will put username as Khushi and user email as khushi@gmail.com, and I will set a good password to secure my account and then select my role. So we will first see what the seller ID role can do in this website, and then sign up. After we click on the sign up, we have been registered successfully, and now we are being directed to the login page. Now we have to log in to access the website. So my email and then my password and then seller and login. Right after logging in, the sellers are welcomed with the elegant hero section that captures the luxury and professionalism of the platform. It sets the tone, reminding them that their listings are a part of premium experience. As they scroll, sellers can view highlighted listing under our best deals, showcasing properties currently on special offers. This section helps seller understand market trends and spotlight worthy listing. Next comes the Explore Our Properties section, a dynamic listing grid where each property card is clickable. Sellers can review what similar listings look like or even access their own property pages to check the visibility and presentation. When I click on More Details, it will show up a page where I can see the photos of the property, and when I click on the details, it will show the detail about the property like interior details, price range, and the key features. And now back to home page. Next thing, down the page, we can see our blog section for empowering sellers with knowledge, from picking pricing strategies to design tips. It's all about helping them succeed in markets. When if anyone, seller or buyer, want to read about blog related to property selling, property investment, they can come to this section and check the blogs. Like when I click on this more details, it will show up a page regarding the blog, and all the information regarding the blog is here. And when we scroll down, there is also a section where you can comment down your thoughts. Then we will go back to our main page, and down the page we can see a section of a real estate agents. This section is all about the agents who have earlier logged in and sell or buy a property, where other buyer and seller who are new user can interact with them to learn more about this platform. To wrap up the page, we have our feedback page. This the whole landing page, the home page is the same for seller and buyer, but now we will see the exclusive features for a seller ID. So before going ahead with the feature, we will see what profile section have. When we click on the profile, we can see a brief about our email ID through which we have logged in, like the name, email ID, and the role, that is seller. For now, the saved properties and notification is static. Only the appointment section is working, but we will work on the notification and saved properties also. First, we will see what my properties thing have. So I will click on my properties and then browse properties, and here we can see all the properties that are here, that were there, which are been listed by other sellers earlier. When we click on house, it will show houses category, properties. When we click on apartment, it will show apartment category property. When we click on villas, we can see villa category property. Then back to home, and then again profile, and we can now you can see there is 0 appointment. And let's see if it's changing or not by clicking here. We will take an appointment. For now there are no appointment found. We will choose a property for like KH Mumbai, and date of appointment as Saturday, and appointment time is 8:56. And any message you can put up, like I I want to know about the price detail. Sorry, detail. And then book appointment. And here you can see appointment booked successfully and one appointment available here. If you want to check if it's updated in your database or not, you can click on profile, and yes, here you can see a appointment available. And also the account setting page is not working now, but we will work on that. And there is a logout section from which you can log out from your ID and enter a new ID or log in through a new ID or other ID. But for now we will let's add a property. Let's add a property. Title, I will put new apartment, and description as cozy, beautiful view, beautiful apartment, and price $100, location as not Kolkata. Let's add a new place as Ooty. Property type apartment, and choose a file. Photo, I will choose a random picture for now, for example, and then add a property. You can see here property added successfully. Let's see if it's added or not. We'll click on my properties, browse properties, and then apartment, and you can see new apartment, OT, and $100. You can see the apartment we have added, it's now here. Again you will click on home page, and that's it for the seller ID. Now we will see the buyer ID. So that's for that we have to log out from this ID first. So log out. Yeah. Now let's see what the buyer ID have in this page can do. So let's first begin with signing up and create a new account. Sign up, and we will create name as sweet, and then Wait, 17th. Sweet at the rate gmail.com. I have already logged in from my own ID, so I am just putting a random username and ID to a password to secure your account, then role as buyer. Then sign up, and again we are redirected to the login page. We will log in through our ID as sweet at the rate gmail.com, then password, and then again select my role as buyer, and then login. Here you can see we are in the landing page, the home page of our website. For the landing page, all the things are similar, like the discover our property, discover our best deals, explore our properties, read from log, or meet our real estate agents. These all are same. The main difference is the navigation bar here. There are many things listed for the buyer. We will check one by one. First, we will see properties. Here you can see different type of properties listed by the sellers. You on click on house, you will see house type of property. On clicking apartment, you can see apartment type of property. This is the property we have just added now by the seller ID. And then on villas, we can see villa type of property. And then we will go ahead to about section. Here you can read about our website, what are our mission and values, a brief about our website and us also. Again, then we will go to the services section. Here you can see what type of services we provide, like property sales, property rental, property management, investment consulting, property valuation, legal services, and the key points where you can choose us for expertise, efficiency, and client focus. And then we will move ahead to contact page. Here if you have any query about any property or anything, you can just message us, so we can help you. And here is also a map. There you can zoom in to for any location. Now let's just put up a message for location. Mumbai, yeah. Seller, not seller. We have logged in through buyer ID, so buyer first name sweet, only sweet, then email address is sweet at the rate gmail.com, and phone number is, and then city as again Mumbai. I want to buy a home in Mumbai only. Zip code as anything. Property type apartment. Say maximum price under which I want a home or apartment. Maximum bedroom I want 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Additional requirement. Tell me location on tell me properties on remote location. Yeah. Send submitting inquiry. Yeah, you can see a thank you message, a thank you for your submission. We will contact you soon. This means that my message have been sent to the authority. Now we will go back to home page. Here also from here you can also click on profile and you can see my properties if you have bought any. But if you didn't bought any properties, so there are no properties, we will browse properties. Now let's say I want to buy an apartment, and the apartment I have added just now, I want to buy this. Then purchase property purchase successfully. And from here, I can also delete a property. I just now decided, no, I don't want to buy a property, buy this property. So let's say bye bye to this property. Delete. Okay, then back to the home page. And then we will click on profile section. You can see the same thing, brief about your profile. These two are static cards and this appointment, just like how it was on the seller page. Let's book an appointment on this with this ID also. So for now there are no appointment. I will just make an appointment, book or appointment. Which apartment? Yeah, this apartment I have added date 22 and then 21. Then let's give a message like, can I have a discount on this party? Let's book an appointment with this message. Yeah, now you can see appointment booked successfully and the appointment details are here. So this is all for the buyer ID. And now we will log out from this ID. Log out. And we are again on the home page, the main login page.